Hi, this is Ann with Expert Village, caterer to the stars in Los Angeles. I've got a little trick on how to garnish a finished product when you're doing an event. We made beautiful bruschetta. We've made beautiful crostini toasts. We're going to combine them all and serve them, but I want to finish them, a garnish, if you will. You can buy Parmesan in blocks like this at your local market or deli, and I take a regular vegetable peeler, and I just make nice, big, or irregular strips of the Parmesan, just like that, simple and pretty. I'm going to collect them over here. I'm going to take a beautiful crostini toast, and I'm going to add to it the bruschetta with lots and lots of garlic. I'm going to garnish it here. I think for this one, I'm going to put little shaved pieces, just like that. Put it on my platter. And I'll pinch off a little bit of this beautiful basil with lots of seeds on it. That's going to be my decoration for the tray. There you go. Appetizer for one. And I'm the one. It's messy, but it's so good.